Hi guys, welcome to the 55th annual RV Lincoln Sports Show. Today I'll be showcasing the Bushwhacker Radical. As you can tell from the appearance, it does have off-road capabilities, independent suspension. What sets this aside from a regular Bushwhacker is the tires and suspension, but also we are now getting instant hot water heater on the Radical series, outside shower, round back. Here's your kitchenette area. So you have microwave, refrigerator, and then the new Blackstone 17-inch griddle with hot cold running water outside for you as well. All lights are LED on the Bushwhacker line. External propane hookup for the Blackstone or whatever accessory you want to hook up to it. And if you'd like, take a look on the inside real quick. It does have air conditioning, stereo, heater, and you do have the fireplace in there as well. Control for the tankless water heater. And then bed can either be set up to its current position for sleeping, or you can set it up to be a seating area by folding up the cushions here, and then you have the two backrests. Up top is a nice storage rack for whatever goods you need to bring along, but you also have the IRV shade awning included as well. So again, we're at the Lincoln 55th Annual Sports Show. Come check us out sometime. Thank you guys.